Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for taking time to check out this video. In this video, I am going to talk about the Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum, which is a cult favorite on Instagram, and so many beauty bloggers, YouTubers love it so much and adore this product. There are so many varieties Farsali came up with, and the one I am using today is the very first serum that Farsali came up with. This is the Farsali Unicorn Essence Serum. So let me show you the packaging first. This comes in this cardboard package. This is a 10 ml bottle, guys. There is another one, the standard size, which is around 50 ml, but I wanted to try it first, and that's why I got this tester size serum. So this is the Farsali Unicorn Essence, the cardboard packaging. Ingredients are listed over here, the application, how you have to apply it, and everything else. 12-month is the 12-month is the timeline in which you have to use it, guys. If you open it today, within 12 months you have to use it, and after 12 months you just have to throw this package out because this will not be good for your skin. Okay, so make sure you use it within 12 months. So I got my serum from beautybay.com. This is a website which ships to India with a little bit of custom charges and delivery charges, but they are much better than other websites I've tried, so I really prefer buying products from beautybay.com. And this is how the cute Farsali bottle looks like. This is a cute small bottle with everything that I've shown mentioned over here. This is the Unicorn Essence, and this is basically a primer as well as a moisturizer 2-in-1. I've seen many people using it as a primer. So let me tell you what Farsali claims about this product. And talking about the price, this small 10 ml bottle costed me 2200 rupees on website. Other than that, I had to pay custom, which was around 1000 rupees. So can you just believe it? This product right here is 3000 rupees worth. I'm not sure if I like it that much, because 3000 is definitely a huge amount to pay for a 10 ml primer. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I feel about this product. So let me tell you what Farsali claims. It says the Unicorn Essence is an innovative oil-free solution, which was something I was looking for. I didn't wanted a serum or a primer to have oil in it. You know, it won't work with my skin. I have combination skin, so I have oily T-zone around here, and other than that, the cheeks, chin, forehead is all dry for me. So I wanted to go for an oil-free formula, which acts as a dual-purpose serum, helping to protect the skin from free radical damage while preparing it for layering, moisturizer or makeup application. Serums are essential part of your skincare routine as they contain higher concentration of active ingredient. This is made with antioxidant superfruits of acai, goji and blueberry, packed with vitamin A, C and E, which is so good for your skin, guys. And this serum promotes the restoration of the natural complexion health and helps minimize the signs of aging. No, signs of aging, signs of aging. Then, due to water-based formula of this serum, your skin can soak up the supplement without leaving it greasy. This essence uses water as base to deliver its ingredient rather than using as a synthetic base. Since water is the best hydrator, blah blah blah. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, formaldehys, phthalates, mineral oil, blah blah blah. There are so many things. Coal tar, trichlorobenzene, and talc. This is vegan and cruelty free. This is so good, guys, because these ingredients, these bad stuff, we don't need it when we are paying for such a product, right? When you pay 3000 rupees, you expect this product to be high luxury. And let me show you a clip where I'm applying it. I've used it as a moisturizer as well as primer. I did not use another moisturizer before this serum as well as any sort of primer. I mostly go for pore filling primer, and Smashbox is all-time favorite for me. I love that product so much because I have pores around the cheeks, both the cheeks, and that's why I prefer the pore minimizer. But this time all I have used is just this serum, nothing else. So you'll see in the video ahead where I'm applying it, and you'll see that I have tried my best to get the most high coverage foundation, the most full glam look, and I tried to test it by using extra layers of foundation. You know, I used so much foundation, concealer, powdered it to see where it breaks, but it did not break out anywhere. So you'll see that in the video, and I'll be back in a minute. so as you have seen in the video, I tried my best to have the full coverage foundation, the powders, the concealers, foundation, everything. I tried to make it break at some point. That's the way I was testing, because whenever you use a primer and try to layer a lot of product on your skin, it tends to break somewhere, it becomes dry and you have that texture. But with this formula, it did not break at all. Let me show you a drop how it looks. As you would have seen 1,000 times already, I'm going to use a little bit. First of all, it smells like a perfume, a beautiful flowery perfume, but not very overpowering, a very light one. So this is how it looks, and it blends so beautifully, giving a really beautiful glow, as you would see. And this is, it smells so good. Okay, and this is so lightweight and gives that extra glow to my skin, which I preferred, and it does not feel like anything on your skin. But while you apply the foundation, concealer, powder, it definitely work with them, blend them beautifully. As you can see, I've tried to powder as much as I could, and I've tried to use so many layers of foundation and use so much of concealer, which is a new concealer, by the way. I'm gonna show you guys very soon in coming videos. I'm trying a new concealer which I think I will love. So this is how it will look. It's a bit tacky, which makes the foundation easy to move around. One point I have seen, guys, that I have large pores around my cheeks, both the cheeks over here in this area. But when I was using this serum, I did not find the need to use pore filling primer, which was strange because I always go for a pore filling primer and then apply my foundation, so it becomes really smooth to blend and everything. But this time I did not require any sort of primer. That was strange, and this worked really beautifully to give me that extra glow. I did not use a primer or anything, just the serum, and it worked like a moisturizer as a primer. So I think your steps will be reduced. So while applying makeup, I always go with a moisturizer and SPF, and then I go with a primer. But with this serum, I use only this, no moisturizer, no any sort of pore filling primer, and it works really beautifully. As you can see, my skin is quite poreless and it looks really stunning. I don't find any sort of issue. I had definitely good glow on my skin, and I really liked it. I thought I won't because it was expensive, and I was trying my best to not like it so that I could skip it next time, but it definitely worked, guys. It makes the foundation application so smooth, so it doesn't matter how much layer of foundation you're gonna wear, because that's all your preference. I prefer to have a full coverage foundation all the time. I'm a full coverage person. Like, if a foundation gives full coverage, I'm all about it, that full coverage look. So I was trying to make it break somewhere, but it didn't. It looks so stunning. Let me tell you guys, in terms of the formula, this is really lightweight and it has a beautiful aroma, and it makes the foundation stick to it, and that's the reason this thing is very popular. Before this serum was there, I always try to mix a little bit of oil with my foundation. In that way, I was making sure that I will have a glowy, smooth skin, because I know I have combination skin, but sometimes foundation cake up really bad and you see texture and all that stuff, which does not look good. I always used to go for a natural look, but yet medium to full coverage. You know what I mean? I always wanted to have beautiful skin, which I would not have, but I wanted to have beautiful looking skin, natural, but yet have a coverage. And I used to mix a little bit of the ordinary oil. I had, I think, the sunflower oil, and then I mix it with the foundation. So in that way I used to have that glowing skin. But this Farsali formula is so beautiful. It does the same task. It smoothens your skin, it makes the pores look blur, and then when you apply the foundation, it blends really smoothly, and you can see on my skin, guys, it looks so damn pretty. I cannot get enough of how beautiful this thing looks on my skin, and you can see the glow, right? Still, and I try to cake up as much as possible. I tried my best to make it break at some point, but it did not happen. The powders, blusher, contour, everything went on really smooth. I do not find any issue with it. I totally feel that this formulas work when you wanted to go a little light, and I'm not saying that this can replace every primer that you love. I still love my Smashbox pore filling primer and the smoothing primer. So this serum will remove one extra step of using moisturizer and then a primer. You can use just this product and then use the makeup over it, the foundation, concealer, powders, and they will work so beautifully. I really like this product. I'm going to use this bottle entirely, so I'll skip my primer for some time. I'll go for this just for a change in my makeup routine because I'm addicted to primers and moisturizer. So I'll try to use this because this is both skincare as well as a makeup primer. So I'll use this and I'll tell you guys in some days how I like it and how it holds up the entire day. As of now, all I can say is this is expensive, but this stuff is really beautiful. It makes the entire makeup application so smooth. Another version of this serum which is called Rose Gold version, which has 24 karat gold flakes in it. I'm going to try that one as well because so many people love it as a primer, but this one is so beautiful on its own. And that is all my quick and first impression with you guys. I really love this product. I'm not going with the hype, but on my own experience, I really like this product. It is so beautiful, and as you can see, my skin look totally poreless and beautiful with it. Every product just blends smoothly and I really like it. Let me know your thoughts on this product, guys, if you have tried or you are willing to try it or you don't even bother to try it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I have so many videos planned for you guys, and thank you so much for loving my last video on DIYs of lip scrub. I'll link it right here so you can watch it out. So many people loved it, and thank you so much for your support, guys, on these videos. It really make my day. So thank you so much for all your support. I hope you guys will like this video as well. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time very soon. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye. And if you have any queries on primer, skincare, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely reply to you guys. Okay, take care. Bye bye.